This Titan Tigers out here and Terlingua Ranch, and it has started raining, as you can tell. And yeah, it's pretty cool. You want to say hi to people?
What's up, world?
Go ahead. There.
Big
There's
man.
Theo and Big Ben. There we go. And we're over here in Terlingua Ranch. And it is raining, and it's pretty, and it's nice. Now we're going to go swimming in the rain here in a little bit. It's going to be awesome. But yeah, it's really pretty, you know. The clouds, the rain, how the mountain looks shaded behind the clouds. See how good of a view I can get over here. That's so pretty. Oh yeah. Alright, well, I'll catch back up with you. I'm gonna make another video about the bats that like to swoop down in the pool. I'll make a video about that, and it's gonna be super lit.